Hello everyone, this is a very easy pattern for the beginners, lace pattern, and you can put on the front side of the cardigan, and very similar to this one. And I show you on the red color. This is the model pattern. Have a look. This one the multiples of 4 stitches knit and purl, and 4 stitches for the pattern. Have a look. Knit 4. First I put the multiples of 4 stitches and I did the base row, and now we start the pattern. First one knit, slip on, second one knit, third one knit, fourth one knit. Now we're going to put the pattern: yarn over, knit 2 together. 2 times we will do like that: yarn over and knit 2 together. That's it. And then we're going to repeat the pattern from here to here. 4 stitch, knit 1, knit 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and then we're going to put this pattern again, repeat pattern, this one: yarn over, knit 4, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together. And this is the second batch of the pattern, and we're going to put knit 4 again, repeat pattern: knit 4, 1 2 3 4, and then pattern: yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, and then knit 4 in the last. So this is the first row, only 2 row repeat pattern, and the pattern looks like that. And in the back, the knit stitches we will do purl, and this one pattern purl but knit 2 together. So have a look. First one, these are the knit stitches here, so 4 purl stitches on the back side. Second row of the pattern, first one slip on, purl 3, yarn on the front, purl 3. So these are 4 stitches. Now we will go for the pattern. Now we have to do the purl stitches, but we have to do the yarn over. So we will bring the yarn like that, and then we purl 2 together. Then again yarn over, purl 2 together, and now we're going to repeat in the whole row. Purl 4, 1 2 3 and 4. Again yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit, no sorry, purl 2 together, no knit on the back side, purl 2 together, then purl 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4. Again yarn over, purl 2 together, yarn over, purl 2 together, then purl 4 in the end. So I show you the pattern finished, and we will repeat the all the time. This one 2 row repeat pattern, and this one look like that. And I will start the third row from as the first row. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, knit 2 together. Again yarn over, knit 2 together. And you can see here I will finish the whole row like that. Knit 4, yarn over, purl 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, and I will finish the whole row like. See how the pattern looks like that after 10 rows are done. Only 2 row repeat pattern, and the pattern is on, see, 8 stitches, 4 stitches knit and purl, and 4 for the pattern. So 8 batch of 8 stitches, and you can add as many as stitches, multiples of 4. And this one, it looks very beautiful on the front side of the cardigan. Both sides you can put like that, and these stitches all together are multiples of 24 stitches. You can measure the length, width of these stitches, and you can add as many as stitches for your pattern. So thanks for watching. Very easy pattern and very easy for the beginners.